Okay. Christmas Day 2021. And 2 years ago, it's actually sitting over here, I got my iPhone 8 Plus. And it's been pretty good for the time I've had it. But, of course, issues have developed, and the case that I've had for that long has seen some abuse, even though I haven't used it the whole time. Things such as the home button breaking, which was my own fault. But, yeah. But, I got an iPad mini. Long awaited, because originally I wanted to get a pair of AirPod Maxes, but honestly, it's fine. I'm getting a pin to open it, even though I know there's a tab. So let me cut the plastic. Oop. Here we go. Okay. Flip it like that, and then come out. Oh, I feel it. Come on. Haha. There it is. Oh my god, it's so small. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at the little boy. I already got fingerprint on the Apple logo. How did I do that? But it's so small. USB-C. Let's go. And what else do we got? Some documentation. What's in here? iPad mini start guide. That's it? Okay. Look, I get a charger. Wow. Huh. This thing feels pretty dense compared to the crappy one that I bought. And a USB-C to USB-C cable. Can I have it, please? Come on. Thank you. There you go. Now, let's try and boot it up. Oh, it's got Touch ID on the button. I forgot. 3, 2, 1. Haha. There it goes. Get my iPhone out of the way. Oh, I forgot they did this. Look how cool that is. Swipe up. I am English. United States. Bring your current... What? Wait a minute. I can do... Hold on. Okay, so it says finish setup on new iPad. My passcode. Wait. Okay. How's that already come with 91% battery? I mean, that's pretty high. And it grabbed the Wi-Fi already. Touch ID, let's go. I forgot I had this. Oh. So I have to apply more pressure than I thought. Oh. Whoop. Continue. Edges of my fingerprint. I don't know how it wants me to do this. I guess like this. Excuse me. I've never been a master at Touch ID. Rotate iPad. Oh. Okay. So it wants me to do both my index fingers, which, I mean, it makes total sense. Yes, I'm holding this at an angle so I can actually get to it. Oh my... If I push too hard, it's being a little bugger. There we go. Setting up my Apple ID, and I don't know if it's going to show it, so I'm going to be careful. While it's doing that... Oh, terms and conditions. Yeah, I totally read all that. Let's throw everything back in the box. And actually, let's take a look at what it comes with. Wow. So it's easy stuff. Hey. And warranty guide thing. Stuff I don't need. What's... It does come with Apple stickers? Let's go! I didn't think it came with any. Wow. Apps and data. Don't transfer apps and data because I just have an iPhone. I don't have an iPad. Can I? Oh, it's loading. Make this your new iPad. Siri, appearance, auto, screen time on. Yes, continue. Keep your iPad up to date. Yes, that's fine. Apple Pay. Yeah, I'll set that up later. I don't ever use Apple Pay, but sure. I don't use Siri that much. Whoa. Oh my god, that's so cool. This is iPad OS 15 too. My 8 Plus is still running iOS 14 because I don't have enough storage to upgrade. It's a day later and I've been using the iPad on and off for the past day, and it's great. I honestly have no complaints. I don't feel like making a first impressions video anytime soon because I really have to figure out what I want to do with this thing. And honestly, it was to help clean up storage on my main phone so that, you know, I can take stuff off of that and start recording and uploading again. But it's a slow process. It's been good. You can see I woke it up just by touching it. If I put my... There you go. It's been good. I tested the USB-C port. It reads things just like a flash drive. It's really fast. It runs Minecraft really well. Plays 1440p video really well. I got a battery alarm so that when it charges to about 90%, 85%, it'll tell me and I can unplug it. I also got a third-party USB-C cable on a 5-watt power adapter so I can charge it nice and slowly, although I still do have the 20-watt. It's been good. I don't have any complaints right now. Yes, it's small, but I kind of like that. It even fits in some of my sweatpants pockets, which is pretty nice. There really isn't much else to it. It's just good. Like, I like it. So, more to come from this thing. Hopefully this will help me actually make good videos and have space to do everything. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!